We want the basic price, we want the taxes, we want the discount, and we want the freight. We don't want all other conditions, for example. Okay, so there are a lot of conditions available in this pricing procedure, but maybe I am not looking for all these conditions. I want to keep my pricing procedure as simple as possible. Because see, whatever is provided by SAP, this consists of lot of conditions based on different conditions used by different industries, used by different countries, and that is the reason it is kind of too confusing. There are many conditions into it. Normally, what we do, we identify what are the conditions relevant to us. Okay, instead of using all the conditions provided by SAP, we try to find out what are the different conditions that we need to use, and according to what conditions we want to use, what we can do is we can tell the system that we don't want to use the standard one. What we can simply do is we can just come out and we can copy this standard one. We can create our Z, whatever code you want to give. Let me see if this is available. See, someone has already used ZVA001. So maybe ZVA002 I'll try to create. Even that is used. 3. Yeah, 3 it is allowing me to copy. Okay, so I'll click on copy all because I want all the condition types also to be copied automatically. Just press enter. Just ignore these warning messages if you are getting, keep on pressing enter. Okay, it is showing for all the conditions, keep on pressing enter. Okay, and finally you will be able to see the new pricing procedure ZVAA03 is created. Now I don't want to keep it very complicated. I will double click on this. And for example, I will see what is relevant to me, what is not relevant to me. I want to delete it. Okay, so for example, I don't want this variant price. I'm just taking an example. I don't want this sales deal. I don't want this price group material, customer discount, material, price group. Okay, press enter. Then I don't want to use this. I don't want to use this. This one also I don't want. Okay, and here it is asking you quantity discount or the value discount or the percentage discount. So maybe discounts one I'm not removing, or even percentage discount I'm not removing. So this 3 I will keep it. So sometimes I want to give the discount as a percentage. Sometimes I want to give the discount for each quantity. Sometimes I want to give the fixed amount as a discount. So these 3 discount conditions I am keeping as it is. Weight, hierarchy material, variant price. I don't want to unnecessarily use this and complicate my pricing procedure. Then price is important. So, but again, I don't want to use this one. Rebates as of now I want to delete. Free I want to delete. So in short, whatever you don't want to use, just select those. Okay, you can see again someone has created discount. So discount, this one I don't want to use, but freight I want to use this. So I'll remove others. Output tax I want to keep it. Okay, internal price I'll tell you, I will keep this also. Okay, that's it. All others I want to delete. So I selected all those which are not required. I will click on this remove button. Again, system will keep on giving me this kind of warnings. Keep on just pressing enter. And once you are done with your entries, you can see 51 entries have been deleted. Now if you see our pricing procedure, that is very straightforward. Okay, there is price, there is discount, there is freight, and there is the output tax. These are the only conditions that we are looking for. Okay, now instead of using the original one, which was already used RVAA01, what I will do is I will assign this one to my combination of sales area and document pricing procedure. So what I'll do is I will go to set pricing determination. If it is already open, I will go to that particular configuration. And here, instead of using the standard one, I will say I want to use ZVAA03, the one that I just now created. Okay, even if you want to change the description, you can change the description to the one that we are using for RECH. So I'll just say VVA00 or AA03. This is standard for RECH, so that there is no confusion. Okay, so here I will assign this one to my combination. Let's save it. So now what will happen next time is if I go to transaction VA01 and try to create a sales order, if I enter the customer number here and if I go to display header details, okay, you can see system is able to determine the pricing procedure that I have assigned. Okay, and now I will do one thing. I will enter the material, I'll enter the quantity, okay, I'll enter the plant. Okay, and if I'm getting this PR00 error, I'll double click on this, go to my conditions again, and you can see this time my conditions are very minimum. I will enter PR00, I will enter the price at which I want to sell this material. Okay, so now you can see the conditions are very simple. It is a basic price, there is a output tax, and there is an internal price. The other conditions like freight, like discounts, they are not coming by default. But if I want to add those conditions here, I can do F4. System will be able to show me all those conditions which are defined in my pricing procedure, but which are not appearing here. So for example, if I want to give the percentage discount, or I want to give the quantity discount, or I want to give the value discount, I can select that, whatever I want. Okay, and system will be able to allow me to process that particular condition type in this particular transaction. Okay, so let me try to save this order. Okay, let me try to save this order. There is something missing in completion log. So I need to enter the customer reference. I need to enter the, if I click on next, it will tell me what are the other fields which are missing. So I need to enter the info terms. Okay, keep on pressing this button. If there is any mandatory field, system will ask. System is asking you for the payment terms. So payment term 0001. Okay, and click on next. So now the document is complete. Okay, so what is happening, what we understood till now, that whenever we are creating the sales order, our sales order or sales area is assigned to the pricing procedure based on which the conditions are appearing here. Now, based on the conditions, we can tell the system which conditions are applicable for us. So in this particular case, which conditions are applicable? As of now, we only entered the price, which is a basic price. And since system already knows there is 9% tax applicable, we will understand how exactly system has captured this 9%. But because this 9% is applicable to this particular order, so system is not only able to determine the basic price, but we are also able to add their total output tax also to the particular material. And this internal price, let me tell you what is this internal price. This is the cost of the material. This condition VPRS, this is the cost of the material. Okay, cost of the material means system stores the cost at what price this material was actually purchased in mm. So whenever we are purchasing a material or whenever we are manufacturing an in-house material, system always capture the cost associated with that material. So it is clearly showing you that we are selling this product at 10,000 while the manufacturing cost was 5,000. Okay, which means there is a margin. You can see there is a profit margin of 5,000 on each unit. Okay, now in this particular case, we had to enter the price manually. We have manually entered 10,000 as a price. What is happening every time whenever I'm creating the sales order? Okay, system is always telling me that the mandatory price information is missing. Condition PR00 is missing. Okay, and every time I need to go and I need to enter the price manually. But if I want the system to determine this price automatically based on certain conditions, even I can do that. Okay, so every time when I create the sales order based on the certain characteristics, system will automatically determine the price of this particular product. Okay, so what is happening currently if I'm trying to create a new sales order? System becomes slow. So if I just provide my customer reference, okay, I'm just entering the mandatory information so that unnecessarily I'm not getting the incompletion log. Okay, if I enter the material here, quantity, and the plant, okay, you can see now system is asking that the pricing information is missing. So if I want the system to automatically determine the price, I want the system to automatically determine the price for condition PR00. I can do this by using transaction VK11. Okay, VK11 is a transaction. This is a master data which can be maintained by the business users, end users, if they know the price of the material. So what is my condition type? My condition type is PR00. If I just press enter, you can see there are different types of conditions based on which I can determine the price. So if I want to keep this price according to the customer, I can do that. I can maintain the price of this particular material with the combination of customer. If I want to create or if I want to maintain the price of this particular material just at the material level without specifying the customer, so for all the customers, the price will remain same. So accordingly, whatever way I want to maintain the price, you can see there are different combinations. I will show you how you can control these combinations also. So first of all, I'm selecting this customer material. If I just press enter, you can see system is giving me the option that for this sales organization, this distribution channel, this customer, this particular material, okay, this one, what is the price that you want to keep? So if I say 10,000, now every time whenever I'll be selling the particular material to this customer, okay, system will automatically determine the price this much. Okay, let's try to save it. Now if you go to the sales order once again, VA01, enter this particular customer, this is my reference, payment term, info term, and the material. So material, quantity, and the plant. Enter. You can see this time system has not asked me for the price. If I double click on this, if I go to conditions, you can see system has automatically determined the price also. Okay, system automatically determined that the price for this particular material for this particular customer is 10,000. How? System determined this from the combination that we maintained. We maintained the combination in VK11. Okay, any questions till now? You understood what exactly we are trying to achieve?
So what are the others field actually? So customer release, sorry, just in the
Sorry, which one?
condition type, VK11, VK11.
Okay, in the VK11, there are different combinations. I will show you how you can maintain these combinations. Let me show you. So let me take you to the pricing conditions. So all the configurations related to pricing are again obviously done from the same folder within sales and distribution, basic functions, pricing, and pricing control. Now within the pricing control, we are discussing about define and assign the pricing procedures. So this is where we can create the pricing procedure. We already created a pricing procedure which is ZVAA03, right? And this is the same screen where we can assign the pricing procedure to our sales area also. But before you create a pricing procedure, in the pricing procedure, you have a lot of condition types.